Let's see if I can convert ETH to DAI in less than 60 seconds using UNISWAP. Let's start the timer now. So I click on Connect Wallet with the Wallet Connect, take my app on my phone, scan the QR code, takes a few seconds, and I'm going to be connected. All right. Now I'm connected. I want to convert a 10 DAI. I select the ERC20 token. In this case, it's DAI. I click on a swap. I confirm the swap and it went through. Waiting for confirmation, swapping 0.04. I can look at the transaction on Etherscan. We're at 30 seconds. The transaction is pending. Let's see if we can do that. So the transaction pending, 7 seconds passed from my wallet to Uniswap version 2. Let's see, the page will refresh as soon as the transaction went through. 20 seconds left. And we're at 23 seconds. It's, all right, it went through with 54 seconds. Let's go with 55 seconds. Crazy fast. Less than 60 seconds to transfer ETH to DAI. You can see the tokens transferred from Uniswap version 2 to my wallet. $10.12 worth of DAI sent to my wallet. Fantastic way to convert any ERC20 token with another ERC20 token using the DeFi app Uniswap version 2. If you enjoyed this DeFi speedrun, then make sure to hit the like button and put in the comments down below if you'd like to see another one. Have a great day. Bye bye.